In this video, I wanted to share the biggest, baddest, the worst problem of the Xiaomi's Mi band. So I've been using it for the past 20 days and I felt this is a very necessary update regarding this band. So I decided to make this video. The biggest problem of this band is that, hey wait, where's the band? Here's the band. It's not on my hand. Where's the band? Oh yeah, I remember, I lost it. So I was coming back to the office and I was wearing it. I remember correctly, I was wearing it, and even during the ride, I saw a friend of mine call me. I saw the notification on the band and I ignored it and continued with my ride. And as soon as I reached home, I just didn't see it on my hand. And the same has happened to one more friend of mine. So I think it's an issue which you might face, which you might have to experience if you're not careful with the band. I think the grip of the band isn't that great. If I noticed it on my hand and then I lost it, then maybe the material of the grips is not one of the great, especially when you are continuously using the same hole on the band and you pull the plug out, and in a lot of times in a single day or in a week, it is bound to get weak and it is bound to lose its grip. So now I have this extra charging cable of the band and I decided to give it away. So whoever, I don't know how these things work because I'm never thought to get more subscriber or likes in lieu of giveaways. But anyways, the top comment under this video, I'll ask for your contact details and I'll ship this charging cable of the Mi Band 3 to you. So do subscribe to the channel and ask your friends to like your comment. That's all about this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have too faced a similar situation, if you too have lost your band just like that out of nowhere. It was not on your wrist, because the same has happened to one more friend of mine. So it is definitely an issue, and it is one of the most important issues, because if you lose your band, there won't be a band to discuss upon. That's all for today. Mr. Mi Band out.